Welcome to the unit Art and Culture. We will start the lesson with a small conversation. Look at the conversation between a girl student and a potter and answer the following questions.
Good morning.
Very good morning. What do you want?
Actually, I have come here to know something about pottery.
Okay. In what way can I help you?
I want to know the process of making pots.
Sure. Here, the first step is making the object.
That means we have to make the image of the object and start our preparation.
The next step is to burn the object. Reheat the pot to melt the glaze and seal the object.
What is the final stage?
Smooth it so that it sits without wobbling on a surface such as a table or shelf.
Okay. Thank you very much for that valuable explanation.
Answer the following questions.